Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of OSINT, or open source intelligence. We'll be exploring a powerful tool called Osintgram designed to gather information from Instagram. But remember, this tool is meant for ethical purposes only. Let's get started. Before we continue, it's crucial to emphasize that the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. Using this tool without proper authorization can lead to legal consequences. Always respect privacy and adhere to ethical guidelines. Unauthorized access to any system or network is strictly prohibited. What is OSINT? OSINT involves collecting information from publicly available sources. It's a valuable tool for researchers, journalists, and security professionals. Instagram, with its vast user base, is a rich source of data. Osintgram is a Python-based tool that allows you to extract information from Instagram profiles. It's open source, which means it's free to use and modify. Let's see how to install it. To install Osintgram, we'll need to have Python and Git installed. Open your terminal and follow on-screen steps. Before using Osintgram, you'll need to configure your Instagram credentials. Create a dedicated Instagram account for this purpose. Navigate to the config folder and edit the credentials.ini file. Remember, while Osintgram is a powerful tool, it's essential to use it ethically. Respect privacy, avoid spamming, and don't misuse the information collected. Always consider the potential impact of your actions. Osintgram is a valuable tool for ethical OSINT investigations on Instagram. By understanding its capabilities and using it responsibly, you can gather valuable insights. Always prioritize privacy and legality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions.